emergency lights cast their beams over grim scenes in El Dorado, Kansas, following a tornado that hit too suddenly for a warning system to go into effect. The twister raised a strip 3 blocks wide, nearly a mile long. The toll, at least 15 dead, an estimated 60 injured in El Dorado. Next day, the full extent of the damage could be seen. Some 250 houses had been smashed flat. The toll was shockingly high. This was the worst single incident so far in one of the most serious tornado seasons to batter the West and Midwest in years. A day of calamity in Kansas.